Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to easily add your phone number to Facebook in 2025. So if you've changed your phone number or just want to keep your account secure, this is the way. Open the Facebook app and log in. Once you're on the home screen, tap the three lines in the bottom right corner. Now, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Under Account Settings, tap Personal Details or Personal Information. Now, tap Contact Info. This is where your emails and phone numbers are listed. Tap Add New Contact, then Add Mobile Number. Enter your new number, then tap Continue. Facebook will now send a confirmation code via text. Enter that code to verify your number. And done. Your new number is now linked to your Facebook account. This helps with login alerts, password resets, and keeps your account extra secure. And if your old number is still on the list, just tap the remove button next to it. Easy, right? So if you've got a new phone number, don't forget to update it. That's it. Now you're all set for 2025.